I gotta
Okay.
put the stuff on me.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah, you're going.
Okay. So this is part 2. This is the setup. Alright. First I gotta pull my hair back. My really dirty hair. Because I can't wash it for 3 days before I do this. Or 3 days after. So, and I have this to protect my forehead. This is fun. Mom, you want to come around front and make sure, in fact, you want to place it? Just don't get any in the hairline. I know. Leave the hairline exposed as much as possible.
Yeah.
So this is to make sure that my forehead does not get frostbite.
As best as possible. It's not sticking very well, but
No, it's good.
is it? Okay. Alright.
Okay. Then, that would be a panty liner for my ears. Who knew they work better than earmuffs? Alright.
And much cheaper. Okay.
This.
I'm having trouble. It's been a long time since I needed one of these.
That's right, I'll do that one, Mom, because you're going to tape it on for me.
Okay.
Just can't.
So, at about this point, I stopped hearing. Mom, I got to do that
way.
way. You can do this
Yeah.
to wrap around it. Oops.
Oh yeah. Let me take a little tape.
So remember that fancy, oh man, I lost the thing from my hair. That's okay, that's just to get it set up. So remember that fancy video I posted with this nice machine and they basically just put a hat on and then they sit there? Yeah.
Yeah, no
We got the old
panty
school
liners
one.
at all.
There is no fancy machine.
No.
And I can't hear anything now.
The panty liners are working.
Thank goodness I never say inappropriately loud things.
Too bad we don't have one for her mouth.
That's gotta make it through for the next one.
I know, you may have to get some more. I'll see how much is left actually.
Got it? Alright. She's gonna get this one.
Fold it in on itself there for just a second.
Became a really boring video right now.
Yes, yes, yes. Two ears.
Okay, that's that. Now we're going to.
Sure you don't want the stand?
I need a towel. Can you ask them for a towel?
Yes, but you don't want that on video, do you?
No. Yeah, because you're gonna. I want to see.
Okay,
show
you might
everything.
want to stop for a second.
Okay, go ahead.